Hello, welcome again to Basira's Kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos. Today we are making light soup, goat meat light soup. Yo, damn we Mian Karakara. What about Karakara fete? Let's go over the ingredients. I have my goat meat already cleaned, cut, cubed. I have fresh tomatoes, 1.5 of large onions. If you have medium, you can use 2. And I have pepper to taste, about 2 inches of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and some bay leaves. I have 1 can tomato sauce. I normally use tomato sauce for my soups and use tomato paste for my stews, and a teaspoon of anise seeds, 1 tablespoon of allspice, and 2 star anise. So first we'll blend the spices and I'll add it to my meat and steam them, then we'll continue. I'll add the star anise and I'll be fishing them out. Just give the food a nice aroma. I'll be fishing them out because you don't want to chew on these, and the bay leaves too. I'll add the blended onions, pepper, and the other spices. Rinse. I'll go on the stove. So I'll add some salt to taste. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use any salt you want. Okay. And then we'll cover it for 15 minutes. So I added about 2 liters of water. If you want it thick, you can add less water. If you want it lighter, you can add more water. And let the soup boil for another 45 minutes. And then it's done. I also added the tomato sauce to thicken it. Normally we add garden eggs, but it's hard to find the kind of garden eggs we use, so I just thicken it with the tomato sauce, and I also added precursor for the health benefits. That's it. I served it here with fufu. Enjoy. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay safe. Bye.